Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to be looking at 5 regular checks that you should be doing on your vehicle. So let's take a look.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
Okay, for our first important check we need to pop the bonnet. And my lever is down here on the passenger side. So the first of 3 checks is one that we can do here in the engine bay. First one, engine oil. Now dipsticks, this is called a dipstick. Dipsticks these days are a sort of standout colour, yellow, orange, so you know where it is. Generally around the top of the engine somewhere. Let's take a look. So here we have our oil level. Now, you can't see it very well on that, so we're going to clean that off. I'm going to go back in and come back out again. Right. Can you see on our level here, it's about halfway up this indentation here. So that's fine. Any less than that we might want to think about topping it up, but it's still halfway. So that's absolutely fine. That. So, next thing to check is engine water. That's that. So you can see it's a funny colour, and we've got on this is called the expansion bottle. On here we've got a minimum and a maximum, and there's not a great deal of distance between them, but that's fine, absolutely fine. It's a funny colour because it's got winter antifreeze and summer coolant in it. So it should help cool the engine in the summer and stop it freezing over winter. And so last little check in the engine bay, this is your washer bottle refill area. This is fine, I topped this up the other day, so there's no need to top that up again. So that's fine. So that's 3 checks made in the engine bay. Okay, next check we're going to look at is the state of our tyres. So we're going to have a look on the side walls, see if there's any cracking, and then we're also going to turn the wheel out, and we can see here we've got our wear indicator. Now the minimum tyre depth in Britain is 1.6mm, and that's what that little bump there in the tyre is manufactured to. And as we can see, we've got a long way to go before we're anywhere near that minimum mark. And then we're just going to have a general look at the tyre itself across here. It looks like it's wearing equally. Sometimes you can get it where it wears more on the edges or wears more in the middle. So we're going to go around all our tyres and check that. And then we're also going to make sure that they're the correct pressure. So where do we find the pressure ratings for our tyre? It's generally inside the filler cap. And so we take our ice scraper out. And there we go, we've got all the bar ratings for our tyres. And our last check that we'll be doing today is checking all the lights out. So we've got all the side lights on, headlights on, indicators on. We've got all our backlights on. We've got the fog lights on too, just check those out. Yep, all good. So there we go. I think that was 10 minutes well spent. Nice and easy, routine, look around the car and make sure everything's okay. The last thing we need at the minute is a big bill. Because we've failed to do our regular maintenance checks on our car. So that's it from Dadskillz today. There's a video on screen now that I think you'll enjoy as well, so take a look at that. Any comments below, like and subscribe, all that good YouTube algorithm stuff. And I'll see you again. Cheers.